Hajime mashite. Thank you for popping back, guys. Sorry for the delay. I am doing 3 different platforms at once on a regular basis. Even YouTube is something that I've had to it's a new incorporation into my life. I mean, I've never done every other day or every other day after day. So what has to happen is, bear in mind, I am doing music by myself as well here. And my brain needs to be functioning in the fashion, the music, and Facebook's kind of like photography at the moment. So I'm trying to get everything together. It does look like it's working. I changed the cable. So my suspicion was correct. I think because the cable was older, it might not have been working. We're going to test out this cable. It seems to be, I actually have an extra extension on here. I don't want to take it out. And I'm just going to do one section of the vocals today. And I've already moved my microphone to this side, even though there is a piece of glass there and a glass here. I don't know if it's going to vibrate on there, but we'll test it out. If it is, I'm going to have to move everything back. But we're not going to use the speakers on here because in order to get good quality sound, everything has to add silence. And because I'm controlling everything here, I need to make sure that I'm in the right state of mind. Yes, it looks like the speaker is definitely working. I didn't even need to ask my husband. I had to. The first step was to check the cable, and it was in fact the cable. So I'm going to try recording now. Okay, it's on the right audio section. Okay, and I'm going to record here. I'll just snap off the things that we don't need at the moment. Adjust. The head of the mic needs to be in front of your face. So, since I'm a short person, and the pop shield has to be obviously right there. So you're going to watch me test this out. Hopefully it works. This is a great microphone. The quality is amazing. I've recorded vocalists on here and they just love the way it sounds. The day will pass you by before it's dawn. Don't be long before the day is gone. You by before it's dawn. Don't be long. The day will pass you by before it's dawn. Don't be long. Don't be long. The day will pass you by before it's dawn. Don't be long before the day is gone. Oh, it definitely recorded. Luckily, I did think twice about this. This is actually an adapter. This I didn't need, but I had another one here. Something was wrong with this. This is for another mic, so it could be the fact that it's for another mic and it just wasn't working. I realized that was the problem. It's working now. My voice is very, very soft. Like I was talking to you guys about the whole Janet Jackson approach. I would have to go back and adjust a whole bunch of things, but this is a test run just to double check to see if it did work. I'll just play this quick. Okay, let's see if that makes a difference. The mic is definitely working. I'm going to just use one speaker so I can control. You can see what I've done. But in my case, okay, it's picking up the speaker as well. You can hear that sound. Okay, and then all the other parts would need to be adjusted because my voice is very, very soft, eh? And I'm off.
The day will pass you by before it's done.
Okay, so it worked, but now we're gonna go back and redo it again because it's not great. As I'm absolutely exhausted. You like need to understand that when you're putting down vocals, it's also important to get like rest, like how my layout works right now. It's a bit messy. How the layout works to see how I'm gonna have to record. And when you're doing it by yourself, you need to test all this stuff. So right now my voice is really out of whack. Belong. The day will pass you by before it's dawn. Don't be long before the day is gone. I was discussing to you guys about how Janet Jackson is a very soft-spoken person and she sings like really softly. I have the same, like in my case, I just don't have strong, I have vocal cords. Obviously we all have, you know, I'm just not an opera singer, so I'm a soft singer. So what will have to happen in my case, would have to adjust all of these volumes. Let me just mute everything else. Let's put this on. So you can hear that the vocals are there, but it's very, very soft. Let's put this on. Put this on. And what happened in this case, probably have to put the volumes lower on all of the other things in order to get this correct. So I would have to do that over again, definitely. Volumes in the sections in the meantime. Because I think this is, hold on. Lower all the parts now. Let's see if I lower this, like drastically. What we're going to do is we're gonna, let's delete this now. Yes, delete. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Let's see what I've done here. These need to be even. You have to understand that it's not just a go into the studio and it's going to be done in one shot. Sometimes you really need to take a couple of processes to get this together, and if you're working by yourself, it's double the amount of work, which is why I say when I'm doing all the other projects, you guys need to hold, like bear in mind that I'm doing 3 different things in like a week. Not 3 different things, but like lots of things are happening within my space. I'm not just doing music. I really am pushing myself to the limits as an artist, okay? Don't be long. The day will pass you by before it's dawn. Don't be long before the day is gone. Don't be long. The day will pass you by before it's dawn. Don't be long. Lower the volume of the mic. Let's see if that makes a difference so we can listen to it just through one speaker. So there's like a staticky sound you have to... I'm going to just put it up to here. And let's see. Did that make a difference if I lowered the... Don't be alone. That day will pass you by. Yeah, okay, so okay, so obviously you just need to remove that I, but when you're recording you need that. I'm gonna leave it there. There's lots to do. You can see I'm absolutely exhausted by doing all the other things. So I'm gonna just have you guys acknowledge that all of the stuff that needs to happen in one shot. Sorry for looking a lot tireder than I have been. Facebook has kept me extremely busy. It's basically a full-time job, staying on there and making it work consistently. Hopefully one of these days I will break even with Facebook. YouTube is officially kind of like the side thing now because I do need to focus on, they've sort of like they hired me, right? Facebook has basically hired me to be a content creator, and that's what's taking up a lot of my time and energy, and my focus is to look presentable on there as well. So that's it for today. I just wanted to let you guys know that the mic is now working. Now all the sections need to be lowered or it picks up the parts, and I will speak to you guys the next time. Arigatou gozaimashita, jamatashi sayonara. And we shall chat in the next one. Hopefully I'm not so exhausted, but the recording, this is a whole nother level. When you're recording vocals, this is the next step up. This is like you really need to know what's going on. And right now I'm just tired, so you guys are gonna have to bear with me a lot longer. If I'm going to create this for Spotify, this is not just for you guys. This song is supposed to be sent off to Spotify and Amazon and CD Baby and all those things. So I'm trying to not just utilize this space to help people understand, but you guys are seeing me work a process that I'm going to present professionally on all these platforms, which I already know how to do. It's just a matter of getting the track done, right? So you're seeing me work in progress. This is not just fun for me, this is work. This is work for me to get the track out in the open and presented on the masses in the public. Okay, so I'll speak to you guys soon and have a great day.